Welcome back to BikeBlasters. Today we're switching gears and diving into the world of hybrid SUVs with a close look at the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid. Known for its rugged capability and reliability, the Fortuner has been a staple for adventure seekers and families alike. Now, with Toyota's hybrid technology, the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid offers improved fuel efficiency, eco-friendliness, and power without compromising its legendary performance. Let's explore what this hybrid powerhouse brings to the table. Exterior design and styling. The 2025 Fortuner Hybrid maintains its robust and muscular SUV stance, but with some fresh updates that reflect Toyota's modern design language. It features a more refined grille, sharper LED headlights, and an overall sleeker body, which combines elegance with an aggressive edge. Toyota has also added aerodynamic improvements to enhance efficiency, making this model not only bolder but also more efficient on the road. With bold color options and a rugged frame, the Fortuner Hybrid stands out as an SUV built for both style and substance. Hybrid powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor. This hybrid setup provides instant torque from the electric motor for smooth acceleration, especially in city driving, while the gasoline engine offers the power needed for longer journeys and off-road challenges. The result is a blend of power, efficiency, and low emissions, giving drivers a cleaner ride without sacrificing performance. The Fortuner Hybrid's improved fuel economy is a big advantage for long road trips, making it an excellent choice for families and adventure enthusiasts looking to reduce fuel costs. All-terrain capability. The Fortuner has always been known for its off-road prowess, and the 2025 hybrid model carries that legacy forward. Toyota has equipped this SUV with an advanced all-wheel drive system and multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to switch between eco, sport, and off-road settings. This system adjusts throttle response, torque distribution, and suspension settings to tackle different terrains effortlessly. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or rough off-road trails, the Fortuner Hybrid adapts seamlessly to deliver a stable, controlled ride. Interior comfort and space. Step inside, and you'll find a refined, spacious cabin designed for comfort on both short and long trips. The 2025 Fortuner Hybrid offers 3 rows of seats, providing ample room for up to 7 passengers, along with flexible seating configurations for added cargo space. The materials are upgraded for a premium feel with soft-touch surfaces, leather options, and enhanced legroom. Toyota has also equipped the interior with improved sound insulation, making for a quieter, more comfortable ride even on rough roads. Technology and connectivity. The Fortuner Hybrid is loaded with advanced tech to keep you connected and entertained. Its 10-inch infotainment display offers easy access to navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The SUV also includes wireless charging, USB-C ports, and a premium sound system to enhance the driving experience. Additionally, Toyota's updated voice command system allows hands-free control of various functions, making it easier for drivers to stay focused on the road. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota places a strong emphasis on safety, and the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features. The Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a pre-collision system that can detect pedestrians and cyclists. With these features, the Fortuner Hybrid offers peace of mind for both city and highway driving, making it a safer choice for families and solo adventurers alike. Fuel efficiency and environmental impact. One of the biggest advantages of the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid is its improved fuel efficiency. Toyota's hybrid system allows the SUV to run on electric power during low-speed driving, conserving fuel and reducing emissions. This is especially beneficial for city driving, where stop-and-go traffic would usually increase fuel consumption. By combining electric power with gasoline, the Fortuner Hybrid not only reduces its environmental impact, but also makes it easier on the wallet. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is an impressive SUV that balances power, efficiency, and practicality, making it a versatile option for both city driving and off-road adventures. With its rugged design, spacious interior, and advanced hybrid technology, this SUV represents the future of eco-friendly utility vehicles. Thanks for joining us on BikeBlasters. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest vehicles.